StockPulse newsroom here, and we are talking Compass Gold, and Compass Gold trades as CVB on the Toronto Venture Exchange. And I've got Larry Phillips here, the president and CEO. We're going to do a little update here. So treasure hunting in Africa here in Mali. So Larry, appreciate you joining me here. And I guess for investors who might not be familiar with Compass, maybe give us a little of the backstory of the company and then take us into the current day.
Perfect. Thank you, Rob, and appreciate the time. Compass Gold is actually formed out of an original group of IM Gold founders. We started IM Gold back in 1990 in this very same country, Mali, West Africa, which has a 800-year tradition of gold production that was fascinating to us. And we discovered one of the great gold mines in the world, the Sadiola mine, over 10 million ounces of gold produced there. Coming off of that success and building that company, we stepped back and said, exploration and discovery is the exciting part of the business. Let's go back and do it again. And we brought the band together. We've known each other for 30 years. We worked in this part of the world for that long. So coming to Compass, we assembled a huge land package, really unparalleled for a company of our size, microcap, over 1,300 square kilometers, right in the heart of this gold district, surrounded by mines, operating partners, and companies, but carefully selected ground. And we started grassroots exploration. None of this ground had ever seen a drill hole previously. So our team that, as I say, been working in this area, part of the discovery of some of the biggest gold deposits in all West Africa, came together and plotted out a program that we've been running through, really finding gold along trends and structures throughout our properties, but really focusing on that big single deposit that can be another great open pit mine. So basic work, money goes into the ground, 90 cents of every dollar that we raise. And we have a very tight group of shareholders, 20 top guys own 80%. We've got big U.S. Resource funds, U.S. Global is a shareholder, Arbor is a shareholder. These are billion-dollar funds who know us and have backed the team and the story. So it's exciting, and we're moving forward into what I think is going to be a key period, the next 9 months, where we're going into a permit area called Morabala. And we've identified almost 14 kilometers, which is huge stretch of structure, gold at surface, artisanal workings, great signposts in terms of initial drilling. We drilled it, and we've identified 15 target zones, any one of which is large enough, prospective enough to be that next great open pit mine. And so we're excited to move to the next stage. We've just announced a small private placement of $3 million that will fund this next stage of exploration through to the end of the year. And most of it, I'm sure, will be taken up by our existing shareholders. But anybody interested in gold in this part of the world, this southern district of Mali, where we are, really the most prolific gold district anywhere in the world. Multiple deposits. You've got some of the biggest operators right there at our doorstep. And the beauty of our little company, we could find something large enough that will be a brand new multi-million ounce mine anywhere across this large portfolio of ground. If we find something that's a little smaller, it's not an orphan, we'll take it and we'll vend it in or toll treat it into one of the mines that's at our doorstep and next door. And we know them, they know us. So it's a very familiar, comfortable place for us. So great package of land, really experienced team on the ground, corporate board that knows their way around through the gold industry, been at it, and a track record of success for 30 years. So it's an exciting time to come in, and we're looking forward to this drilling. It'll be about 12,000 meters of drilling on these 15 targets that's going to play out over the next 6 to 9 months.
Larry, I really appreciate it. That's Larry Phillips here. He's the CEO here at Compass Gold, and quite the interesting story and the interesting place. You got some money here. You're in a great spot. You got tons of land. We're excited to keep our eye on it. So, Larry, appreciate you taking the time. We'll look forward to keeping in touch.
Appreciate it, Rob. We'll talk to you again.